Do you want to be like my son who uses AI recklessly? No, right? AI humanizers aren't always a solution to your problems. As you already saw, he wasn't aware of using AI properly. So I'll give you points that I have that make AI necessary and unnecessary. Every day, AI is used for almost everything in smartphones, even on computers. They also serve as digital assistants on social media and websites. If you think this isn't a big problem, you'll have to think twice again. 57% of workers in the USA use AI without being aware, and about 70% of managers in companies are directly revealed to use AI, causing expensive and overpriced mistakes due to real imprecision and missing circumstances. So, here are some necessary and unnecessary ways to use AI so you don't end up being confused.